AMD just broke through $300 for the first time ever, and the party didn't stop at market close. AMD shares surged over 6.6% to hit an all-time high of $340. So what happened? What's driving this? And more importantly, where is AMD going by end of year? Let's zoom out first, because this move doesn't happen in a vacuum. 1 year ago, AMD was trading near $91. Today, it's above $330. That's more than a 252% gain in 12 months. This is not a meme stock. This is a chip company that has completely reinvented itself. And just this month alone, AMD is up 47%. The stock went on an 11-day winning streak earlier in April, its longest streak since 2005. Something big is happening here. 0.5, 2-week low, $91. 87 today's price, tilde. $3,400 1-year gain, plus 253% month gain, plus 48% source, TradingView, macro. April 24th, 2026, why it's moving so. What specifically triggered yesterday's 6.67% spike? Two things hit at the same time. First, a monster product launch. AMD unveiled the Ryzen 9 9950X3D Dual Edition, their most expensive consumer CPU ever, at $899. It's the world's first dual 3D V-cache processor, with 16 cores, 32 threads, and 192 megabytes of L3 cache. The reviews are in, it's a beast. Second, a major Wall Street upgrade. Stifel, one of the most respected semiconductor analysts on the street, raised their AMD price target from $280 to $320, citing two specific catalysts: AI-driven compute demand running above expectations, and confirmed multi-gigawatt strategic commitments from Meta and OpenAI. Stifel's analyst called AMD's $20 plus long-term EPS target a floor, not a ceiling. Bank of America also raised their target to $310, projecting data center revenue growth above 60% year over year in both 2026 and 2027. Stifel target $320 buffer. Target $310 data center growth plus 60%. Yo, weather. Bigger story 245 to 345 to 60. Here's the thing most people miss. AMD isn't just a PC chip company anymore. Data centers now make up nearly half of their total revenue. In Q4 2025, AMD's data center segment hit $5.4 billion, up 39% year over year. Full year 2025 revenue was a record $34.6 billion, growing 34%. Their Instinct My Series GPUs are being used as a real alternative to NVIDIA in AI workloads by Meta, by Microsoft, by OpenAI. And their upcoming MI450 chip will be built on TSMC's 2nm node. That's a full chip generation ahead of NVIDIA's next card on 3nm. Let that sink in. Oh, and earnings are coming. May 5th, Wall Street expects $1.27 EPS, but last quarter, AMD beat estimates by 16%. Eyes are on that call. Data center, Q4, $5 for BFI 22.5. Revenue, $34. 6 blast EPs beat, plus 16% next earnings. May 5-year end forecast 345 to 430 to 45 SEK now. Where does AMD go by end of 2026? Across 34 Wall Street analysts, 79% have either a buy or strong buy rating. 0 have a sell. The consensus price target sits around $290, But remember, that was set before yesterday's move and before the Stifle and Buffet upgrades. The highest analyst target right now is $380 from benchmark. The base case from multiple models, $320, $365 by December. The bull case, if their MI450 lands on time and Helios rack scale wins come through at Meta and Microsoft, we could be talking $380 or beyond. The bear case, if macro deteriorates or MI450 gets delayed, models put downside at $220, $250. Bull target, $380, base case. OIUI, $320, $365 bear case. $220, $250 buy, strong by 79%. Sources: Bank of America, Benchmark, Morningstar. Tip ranks April 202, 6 a.m. just broke an all-time high. Stifle just raised their target. Earnings are in 11 days. And the AI trade is firmly back on. This is one of the most watched chips in the market right now. If this video added value, hit subscribe because we cover moves like this every week. And drop in the comments, are you holding AMD? What's your target? Nothing in this video is financial advice. This is for informational and educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal.